The Elephant and the Ants story. Once there was a proud elephant who always bullied smaller animals. He would go to the anthill near his home and spray water at the ants. The ants, with their size, could do nothing but cry. The elephant just laughed and threatened the ants that he would crush them to death. One day, the ants had enough and decided to teach the elephant a lesson. They went straight into the elephant's trunk and started biting him. The elephant could only howl in pain. He realized his mistake and apologized to the ants and all the animals he bullied. And then the ants went to the hill happily.
The moral of this story is:
be humble and treat everyone with kindness. If you think you're stronger than others, then use your strength to protect them instead of harming them.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and click on bell icon.